क्लास 10 CBSE इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चैप्टर। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होती क्या है? आप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से समझते क्या है? व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पुट अप इन योर हेड, इन योर माइंड. Suppose in your house a lot of electronic things are present. Number first, fan, electric fan, motor, computer, refrigerator, oven, induction, they all are work when electricity is come. Suppose gas, CFL, bulb, when electricity are on, they are glue or working. When power supply cut, they not working. Do you see electricity which can generate a power to capable work these product या these things easily? Without electricity they do not work easily, my friend. So the definition of electricity, the flow of electrons in the matter. The flow of electrons in the matter, the flow of electron is called electricity. Electricity is two types. Number first and number second. Static electricity and dynamics, current electricity. Current electricity are working in our homes. When you switch on the power and your fan is running, switch on, tube light is glow, LED is glow. Statics means you take a scale and piece of paper and suppose this marker is like a scale and you can rub a scale in your head by gently and come in the piece of paper and you see the piece of paper are attract this scale. Means when you rub the scale, some electrons are given in this scale. This scale has plus particle, plus electrons. So this scale can attract the piece of paper. So this electricity is called a static electricity. In static electricity, electrons are not movable. Suppose this is a electricity of static when charged. This is called a static electricity. And in your chapter the current electricity are not static electricity, you can study in 11th class. So I can only explain static electricity means static electrons are present. In current electricity, the flow of electrons are moved from one place to another place. From one place to another place. It's called flow of electricity. When electrons means. And now you can understand briefly the flow of electron is called electricity. Electricity is two types, static electricity and current electricity. In your home, the current electricity are from one place to another place. Static electricity, only particles are in rest. Suppose when we rub a scale like this, so this got a static electricity. Now, types of charge. The next topic is types of charge. There are two types of charge. Number one, positive charge. And number second, negative charge. Positive charge is denoted by plus E and the value is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb. And the negative charge minus E minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb. You see, two things are happening. Positive charge and positive charge means similar charge repulse each other. Means positive repulse and positive and negative, yani opposite charge attract each other. Means positive and plus. Positives means plus and negatives attract each other. Means attract, pulls, and similar charge repulsive each other. And now the next topic is, my friend, Q is equal to NE. Means Q is equal to charge, N is equal to number of electron, and E is electrons. So you know that 1 Coulomb has number of electrons. 1 Coulomb has number of electrons 1 upon 6 into 10 to the power minus 19. You see 10 upon 16 into 10 to the power 19 100 upon 16 into 10 power 18. 15 upon 8, 25 upon 4. Means 6.25 into 10 power 18 has 1 coulomb. Has number of electron 1.6.25 into 10 power 18 has electron. Make a 1 coulomb. You can collect 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons and you can say that it is a 1 coulomb. The SI unit of charge is coulomb. It is denoted by C. You already know that C. 1C is equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electron. This is the basic. Now, another topic. Conductor and insulator. Conductor, flow of electricity is easy. Flow of electricity easy. No flow of electricity. No flow of electricity, my friend. Electricity cannot be flow. Example, you know that glass, wood, plastic, rubber, etc. And conductor are wood, are metal. These are non-metal. I also include metal means Au is a super quality of conductor. Another Ag, silver, copper, aluminum, and Fe, iron, gold, silver, copper, ammonium and iron. Gold is super. Now the next topic is, I hope you understand well. Potential difference. Potential difference. You also know that this point A and this is a wire, this point B. Suppose electron are flow from A to B. So it can travel a distance from A to B to it doing a work. So a charge means electron, positive charge is flow from this to this. So potential difference is A to B is potential is called work upon the work done upon charge move. Charge means electron moves from one to one. This values V denoted potential and this denoted W and this denoted charge Q. This is the formula of potential. In physics, in the physics world, work done upon charge is called potential. The definition is work done upon charge is called potential. The SI unit is potential is volt. You also know that unit of work is joule and charge is coulomb. So 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. 1 volt is equal to joule coulomb minus 1. This unit is. So you also know that potential definition and the value of potential it is denoted by V. My friend. I hope you understand well what is the potential difference. So this is the first small part are finished. In the next lecture, I will explain you what is the current and work done, another thing.